Good day everyone. Today I will demonstrate to you the proper way for running a full system scan with repeatable antivirus and anti-malware. So first go to the search bar panel and search Windows Security and look after you click it. Look at the left sidebar and select the virus and threat protection. Here we can directly scan or use this tab to click the quick scan. But before that, first select the scan option. So there are multiple options. Choose. But today we're gonna choose the full scan to scan all the file and the entire program. To check if there's a threat in our desktop, after the just click the quick scan and wait. So it may take some time to finish scanning, especially when you're having a lot of files. So you just need to wait. So that's the proper way of running a full system scan with repeatable antivirus and anti-malware. As you can see, our using laptop wasn't have the any threats. So that's all for today's demonstration.